out yami bafethu eshisayo eyasedriziki bafethu ishaya hip hop bafethu angazi abanye benu ngiyamazi but mina ngiyamazi vele untanga vele bengifana naye vele isigela uzozintroduce bafethu vele sengoba ngizophatha imic kuye bafethu awe my dog
Awe, bro. Awe, you good?
I'm good my dog. What it do, what it does?
Bro, you know, I come Fury.
When creative.
Ngasho ukuthi mina like umuntu othi makafika yabo. I just sit there and just produce.
Do your thing.
I don't think about it like that much yabo. Like into esegazini. Like,
so you when do you do your music? Late at night or in the
anytime.
Morning or anytime?
Anytime.
You cool?
Because ngokuthi ngivuye like ngisifeel ukuthi now I can stand on a mic and produce or like ngishaye beat icala then record yabo.
Oh my dog. So hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
The word hip hop to you personally, what does it mean?
Hip hop.
Yeah, the hip hop culture. What does it mean to you, like personal?
I'm sorry, like ngasho ukuthi hip hop culture give me like
my mind saying, no man, this guy, you have seen this guy before.
Yeah, bro.
You did saw this guy before.
Yeah.
So now I'm wondering myself, which like a TV and you are local. So it means you are not a local artist.
Yeah. Actually, manje yabona my first appearance ngasho ukuthi like it was just to show up, yabo. Mabonisa ukuthi I can get there, yabo. Like I'm close, kahle. Like bangaluzi ithemba, my fans and my supporters. Then my second appearance was on Daily Theatre.
Okay, thank you. What's up, what up, bafethu? Siyabonga, last corner, bafethu. Yazi bafethu, we are always on point. Sihlezi siphethe izinto ezikhala kahle bafethu. Today we are somewhere sikude kabi nasekhasi. Angithi niyazi ukuthi ninekasi. What are you doing out there? Because ngeke sikhamba manga mngani wami.
Yeah, bro.
We're not here to lie.
Yeah, bro. We have to change locations, guys. Hey, we have to change locations.
It is another banging episode bafethu. Mzwakhe bafethu, you know. Asizi sodwa like when we are here, we bring something. I don't know what we call it. But nina nizositshela because here Roaming Podcast we are unfiltered. Angihambi ngedwa because ngiyeza ukuthi sengikhuluma kakhulu manje. Sengiyibamba kakhulu but because angami ngedwa bafethu angazi ngiqale ngobani ngiqale ngalo ngihamba naye noma ngiqale ngalo esize ngaye. I don't know guys but nginganikeza uphara batshela ukuthi why bakubiza ngephara.
Awe bafethu, it's your boy CP bafethu back in the building. Welcome to Roaming Podcast bafethu. As ashilo mzakhe bafethu asambe soda bafethu. Somebody leading artist bafethu. You know we bring something different. Fire bafethu. We promote people. You want to show up, you can come in our platform. We're going to introduce you to our people and then if you have a business to market on it, you can come through, we can talk about it and then sikhiphelele ngaphandle bafethu. Rather than that bafethu, vandaag ngiphethe out yami bafethu eshisayo eyasedriziki bafethu ishaya hip hop bafethu angazi abanye benu ngiyamazi but mina ngiyamazi vele untanga vele bengifana naye vele isigela uzozintroduce bafethu vele sengoba ngizophatha imic kuye bafethu awe my dog.
Awe, bro. Awe, you good?
I'm good my dog. What it do, what it does?
Bro, you know, I come Fury.
Yeah,
it's Furry Rampage. Kuma socials anyway, yabo.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I've been doing this for a while, bro. I've been doing this for a while, like since I was a kid, yabo.
Yeah.
Since push then I started recording like 2014, yabo.
Yeah.
That's when I
Fury. Like Fury in Petru City, you said your name is Furry Rampage. Like out tell me, we are in the cars. It's a car. See, cars are very Furry Rampage. So mama, like out tell me. Lisa kanjani lo gama Furry Rampage like minani
yabona like ngathini Furry Rampage igama like ngathini like esivele ulizwa like vele like it's all about war yabo.
So, it's all about war.
Okay. Mine is different because like I'm all about war two ways, yabo. I articulate, I express like myself, yabo.
Yeah.
So like in Kwatile and so.
Okay, if I can ask, okay, it's all about war, ne?
Yes.
Okay, we're coming to all of the things that you've done about music. I want to ask you about the hood. Where you from, like Etrizi? What's happening at Etrizi? Because I heard it's going down. It's going bananas.
It's
Cheese versus 40. It's everywhere, even in the newsroom, bro. It's everywhere. I want to understand what's going on, bro. Since you're from that side, what have you heard, bro?
Like I don't know Gucci what started it, but then what I know Gucci like yo Ziabuya, bro.
It's going down,
It's
my
going
friend.
down.
People are dying, bro. Like
Are dying for real?
Yeah, people.
Hey, bro.
Something
Hey.
else, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Even safety is not guaranteed. They guys.
Yeah. So how do you survive, bro?
Yeah, I want to know that. Like, guys, not in Israel.
How do you survive, bro?
Rampage.
Yeah,
Abanga nje
bro.
364.
I mean, bro, like I'm here. I'm saying 3 they were Gucci.
Yeah.
Gucci ish. Like me nang survive. I'm always like logged in sekasi via like mangiphuma ngisekasi angizuli like too much yabo yeah ukuthi ngingahlangani like nezinto otherwise nasebusuku bro hey abantu bayakhatheka
yeah so kuyakhawatheka vele ngala and then there's a brew rave and sorry guys sorry for the family's loss. There's a brew that they killed. I don't know which gang killed that brew. I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but allegedly guys they said it's between I'm 50 or I'm 40, one of the gang. But I take it that money on Saturday coming from Groove, going with the chicks. Hey, sorry for that. Condolences to the family and all of that. So yeah, hey, Furry, when I shoot, it's going down. Now it's vibes down.
No, bro, like I'm vibe soup. Like the only time you even vibe soup is when I'm coming back from my performance.
Yeah.
Okay. Like I travel, bro. Like I travel.
Yeah. Okay, bro. I wanna know. When did you start doing music? Actually, which genre are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Like
it's kind of obvious, but it's not you can see it. That's
what I'm asking, bro. Like some of them are piano artists, R&B artists. They kind of way like him, bro.
Okay.
So you wouldn't know.
But you know the art.
Piano, he's doing hip-hop, he's doing pipe, he's doing, you know, things like that. So we want to hear it from the horse's mouth. I'm sorry.
Imagine when it comes to like music, like Mankula, yenza in hip-hop. But then like ngiyakhona ukuthi like ngene bo dance or
Afro. So you're not only an artist but you are a producer like, also.
Yeah, I'm a musician.
Oh yeah,
like,
I call myself a musician. Yeah.
So like when it comes to my production side, like I produce like all type of genres, yeah. Produce like it depends ukuthi ngisebenza nobani at that moment, yabo.
Mara, hip hop is falling in SA.
Bro,
like hip hop.
I think maybe as a producer, I think I'm safe.
You're safe.
Like I can jump from this to this. Young boy,
versatile.
Yeah. You can jump from this to this.
Yeah.
We are going to like ingena in. Yeah.
Like because
can jump.
So even if you say like you can jump, like when you can count which I can jump to this, or you can just hit a jump, just jump.
You know, like anything.
Okay,
Fury like is full of surprises. Really, like I don't like to be predictable. So like Mashang, I'm a surprise. They don't know what I'm up to. They just see it happen. Yeah.
Okay.
So the word you said the word Fury came from.
Like it's all about as an artist, umuntu like was express like let's say maybe ngokufeel like angry ngibe naleyo anger and feel like I can go on a rampage I express that through like ways I articulate and express that through ways so that like
articulation on some new words guys, it's going down Fury Rampage on the house dog.
A song called Articulate. You call another audio make it's Articulate.
Articulate.
So like like nalapho ngiyazi express like ukuthi ngubani what I do, Yeah. Like
okay, so bro, on your background in Chinese, who were your biggest musician influence growing up?
Bro, it was
on
a road like this Mtipa, but then like I have like abantu abaningi but then Mtipa he was like
who's Mtipa?
We don't know Mtipa.
Bro. Mtipa, where are you?
Mtipa like ngasho ukuthi he's like an underground MC like umuntu underground, but then like umuntu like popular throughout the hip hop scene, yabo. Like abantu abaningi bayamazi, like they are aware of him, yabo.
Hey, Pana, you are hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
No wonder Mzwakashu, guys, you can even
You can even see the dress code. You don't even ask.
Surely nalaba babhekelele no, if they know Mtiba, like bayasho ukuthi yeah, he knows like the right guy, bro. Like yeah, he influence a grand.
So that Mtipa guy used to play like go because
Khona this track yakhe Mary Jane binodlala nasentweni eradioini kakhulu mangisakhula. Then there's the other one yayishaya no Proverb no Reason. Bayishaya last time bayishaya perform Superhero Ego bayishaya ku live. The time ngisadlala live. Yeah, like umuntu akusi umuntu edropa like always. Umuntu edropayo ashiye like leyo like as a message yangithola. Like abantu like ama-generation azayo, because nami like I'm young ukuthi ngabe ngimamela like Mthipa.
Sure.
I doubt ukuthi ukhona umuntu okule age group yami like umamela Mthipa current.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's okay.
Me 2001. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
shout out to it's going down on it.
It's going down.
down.
90s, wherever they are bored, baporegile. Because I'm 2000, they are bringing the heat. They are bringing the heat.
You're not bored.
Yes, shout out. So Fury, I wanna know, dog, since like you are a local artist, we here, Kasi.
Sure.
Like, bakhona abantu abakwaziyo outside the box of Orange Farm 3
Actually, like
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Gauteng, like that people.
Gauteng, maybe
yeah.
Free State, Northwest,
Yeah,
or outside South Africa.
Yeah, bro, like abaningi abantu like abangaziyo, because currently ngicela ukuthola nani friend request from umuntu waseMoza, like I can tell ukuthi like they are watching. So
That person
like,
wants the feature.
Moza,
How much? Hey guys, how much do you charge for a feature, my guy?
so currently benga-charge, yabo.
Yeah, do it
charge
for
when
free.
it comes to production and stuff, yabo.
Oh, yeah.
But then I'm a feature like I do it for free. Anyone like anyenza uzosipana nami anytime.
Okay, so what do you know? Tell me, since you're an artist or a producer, bro, tell me, what do you know or what do you understand about music business?
Like
Since
music-
you can see what's in this industry, it's going down. Check.
Yeah.
You saw the Make Cheap podcast, the piano pulse thingy. You know that channel, Uncle.
Yeah.
So they were busy arguing with the Jaivani thing and Simnandi thing, recouping and artists leaving, breaching contracts, things like that. Have you been in such circumstance?
No, not yet, bro, not yet. But then like I'm aware of what is happening there, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngingasho ukuthi like abantu abaningi like they don't like to be independent. Aba follow up izinto on their own. Yabo.
Or
Like-
as you are in indie, how is
Yeah.
it being an
Like-
indie artist?
Like bro, it's hard, yabo. But
Yeah.
then like we try like by all means ukuthi like abantu like banotice igama, because it's all about building like a brand yabo.
Okay.
Abantu babe aware ukuthi like khona umuntu okanje ophushayo, yabo. Manje like into mfethu abantu like kumele bayenze ukuthi like nabo ba follow up and do like ama research so that they can know more about lento abayiphushayo, because if they don't know
Fair.
that thing ngeke like baze bakhona ukuphusha crane bazoba roba, bro.
Fair.
So as a producer, are you saying you've never been robbed?
Never been robbed.
How are you going to be robbed because you are a producer? Which
No,
means
no,
you
no,
are...
no, the reason, I think the reason it's because it's not signed to any label.
Yeah.
Do you understand? If only you are signed to any
So,
of this.
my
artist
question
labels.
is like this. You are a producer. I
Yeah.
come to your studio. My friends comes to the studio.
Yeah.
You've never been robbed. You've never been robbed.
Yeah.
So, in other words, are you trying to say
No.
that?
Yeah, but not, like currently ngathini like nah, I don't rock like I'm an artist, because like most of them they are unregistered.
Oh, they're
like
not on
yeah,
something-
we need to like
something,
we have
okay.
to follow up on these things, yabo.
Yeah.
Babazi ukuthi music usipana kanjani.
So by an independent artist, funa like ube ne snare.
Yeah, bro, like kumele
Ube
ube
ne
ne-snare.
speed.
And then
believe in your dreams.
yeah, kumele ube ne strategy.
Yeah.
Important
Yeah,
kakhulu.
yeah.
You won't just do things, yabo.
Okay.
You play nekuqala wazi ukuthi okay, I'm gonna do this move, then I'm gonna do this after this. Yabo.
Yeah.
If I'm not playing, you will get stuck. Then you
One
fall.
place. Ne?
Yeah.
So okay. Now, how did you first get into hip hop? Ne? Is it because it was on freestyling? I mean, through writing, through freestyling, or just listening to music?
It was through listening to music and writing too, because like my family track, let's say for my track, because being rap,
Oh, abochakatola. Siyashisa, bafethu.
so
Yeah.
benuthatha like ipen and write their songs
Abo
down,
ma-7, so.
then ngicule, like
Yeah.
then ngibambe. That's when I realized this man I can do
Oh,
this.
so you understand that ingoma mayibhala kusho ukuthi uyayilalela uyayibhala ama-lyrics awa-download
Angwa-download plus back then
uyazenzela
uyabona ukuthi
yeah vele abo-mix
bezingekho yabo, so I had to write them down, then
Oh, storytelling type of things like
then
that.
ngabona ukuthi man at the end ngayibhala like i-track lam, because my first track it was this track, bro. I was dissing like amachita la was it risk for ngada yabo, like mama never funny beef just because I'm a rapper, and I responded yabo zakhala nga like viral yekas. Everybody they knew me. Mike Fury. I was Mike Fury back then.
Yeah.
Before Fury Rampage.
Okay, guys, now we're going to go to the second page, which is inspiration and creative process. We're going to ask him those type of questions and then he's going to answer. Before we go there, Bafit, I want to know, Fury, my guy. So you were born in Orange Farm?
Yeah, bro.
You grew up in Orange Farm?
Yeah.
How is your experience like us?
Bro, like, yeah, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Yeah, bro.
Okay, tell me about your grade. You went to school?
Yeah.
And you finished your matric?
Yeah.
Okay, it started on like rapping. Which grade did you start rapping? Things like that. Which school did you go to? Which school did you end up
I started like rapping in the Cavendish.
Oh yeah.
Cavendish,
which is where?
School. It was
when?
Which year? It was 2014 and 20. Yeah, it was 2012. Yeah,
2012. Which grade were you doing?
I was doing grade 6.
Oh,
yeah, grade 6.
Yeah.
That's when I started rapping, because then 2013, that's when I went, and I was doing grade 7. Then 2014, I made my first song.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, 21st, that was the debut song.
Yeah.
That's when you started
this track.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so who are you dissing on the track?
Yo, bro, we decided those guys. I was there, like, I was then now they scheme about mau, like they were like
don't touch that thread, don't touch that thread. You know, on Running Podcast, we deal with every situation. We are unfiltered as Katie, guys.
Yeah.
We are having Fury Rampage.
Yeah, like,
such tell more about dissing people, but some of the people we diss back in the days, city. Bakole lapho kuleyo ndawo, because siyazi ukuthi whenever you are an artist maningi ama obstacles ohlangabezana
nawo. It was something ngasho ukuthi like as like ama artist vele like bekuyinto ukuthi kumele sidlule ukuthi so
oh now bekwama artist
ama artist
so are they still pushing today, like
now like currently I'm not sure ukuthi basapusha or kanjani, but then like but back then bebapusha. We used to link yabo behlangane emakasana kuma event stisane, like it was fun, like yabo but then now like yabo no, you're no longer there, like me from like singapusha yabo.
So like dog, I hear you when like ukhuluma ukuthi okay fine, you were pushing from day one.
Yeah.
So dog, can you able to count your achievement, those achievements as a local artist?
So far ngathini from ngasho ukuthi yabona there was ama-Philips Awards. I was nominated there, then I went to like second runners kuma category 2 yabo. Yinto yi-best male artist of the year, then the song of the year yabo. Then you're my achievement thing now so far. Then amanye like I went then to Hiphop radio and met like abantu ababig abafana nabo Techno P. He's one of the top producers la eMzansi. Abanye abantu bamazi because they are no producer GP Gangster like abantu ababhaya like abase industry. No Brenda Fast, I think, because he's a legend, bro.
Yeah.
And like beyanhlanyela, bro, he went crazy. My ears was like Fury. He's spitting like
who?
Techno P.
Oh, Techno P.
Wait, I thought you were talking about Brenda. I am talking about Brenda. Okay, so as a producer, you have certain routine, or vibes. when creative?
Ngingasho ukuthi I mean like ngumuntu othi makafika yabo. I just sit there and just produce.
Do your thing,
I don't
yeah.
think about it like that much yabo. Like into esegazini. Like,
So you want you do your music late at night or in the
anytime.
morning or anytime?
Anytime.
You cool?
Because ngikuthi ngivuye like ngisifeel ukuthi now I can stand on a mic and produce or like ngishaye beat icala then record yabo.
Oh my God. So hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
The word hip hop to you personally, what does it mean?
Hip hop.
Yeah, the hip hop culture. What does it mean to you, like personal? I'm sorry.
Like ngasho ukuthi hip hop culture give me like ngasho ukuthi it's something like ehambiselana ne-art kakhulu yabo. Like ukuba creative, like ukuthi like indlela like kakhulu esizi-expressa ngayo, because even though you can listen to like like hip hop like ama-lyric wakhona you can tell ukuthi aya like deep yabo. Then mongabheka like ama-art most of the time graffiti is part of hip hop, like yonke into like it's all about being creative yabo. Yeah, so
Being artistic at the
being
end of-
artistic, yeah.
I do get you. But to me, Fury, I'm still having that thing that says into my mind. I've seen you on TV. I don't remember ukuthi ngakubona kuphi TV, but umqondo wami, I know it's not crazy, it's not going bananas. I know I did see you on TV. Please tell me I'm not crazy, dog.
Which channel?
Bro, first time when I appeared on TV, we were SABC3.
Yeah.
I did say, dog. I did say, dog. I did say, dog. No, we are fine because now my mind, no. Please don't do it.
Can you play it for me?
Please don't do it. Please.
You don't have to debate about it. Can I have it? Can I have it for me?
Because now I'm seeing a lot of things, and I'm seeing a lot of images creating in my mind, saying, "No man, this guy, you have seen this guy before.
Yeah, bro.
You did saw this guy before.
Yeah.
So now I'm wondering myself, which like a TV and you are local, so it means you are not a local artist."
Yeah. Actually, manje yabona my first appearance ngasho ukuthi like it was just to show up yabo. Mabonisa ukuthi I can get there yabo. Like I'm close kahle like bangaluzi ithemba, my fans and my supporters. Then my second appearance it was on Daily Theatre.
Okay, like ukuthi size ngiyakho
Take.
That's fine. We need to keep it professional. I don't mind fucking them.
Yeah, guys, we're having this now.
She said that.
Shut up on it. Away, machi. Hey, guys, sorry for that. I was going to catch some smoke. Yeah, and the juice is finished now. This is my last juice, guys. This juice is delicious.
Did he record?
We are rolling, bro. We are rolling.
We keep on rolling.
Yeah, we don't stop. Yeah, we are rolling.
Rampage, dog. We will besasho bafethu la nikhona bafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi some of you ngisasho lento engiyishoyo ukuthi le ngiyishoyo nayivumela ukuthi Fury Rampage sike sambona on the television. Naye uzivumele ngomlomo wakho ukuthi he was once there ku Daily Theatre. Wavela, he said one or two words. Wabuye wavela via, what is that show called, Gonje?
The biggest debate.
The
biggest debate, dog. Wavela nakhona, guys. Cause guys, you will say he's local. Local is Lekere Siyacava, but this guy is very big. La khona namhlanje, I know abomakasana bayazibuza ukuthi wenza ngani. What is the main recipe? Like,
recipe.
Bro, like consistent. Yeah, it's consistent.
Consistent.
Bro. Like, yeah.
So, okay, if you say consistent, like a day, what you a producer out here?
Yeah.
How many hours? Because a day we have 24 hours. Then more you a producer, you spend how many hours on production?
From starting the beat, from the sketch,
like
scratch. Starting your beat.
The beat will shy me. Like I take about 30 minutes, then I'm done.
So what type of melodies do you use?
type of melodies. I use all, bro. Like, all.
Okay.
All packs.
All, bro. Like, rock drums, everything.
Oh, you are also hip hop on lock drum, piano.
Imagine,
So
like,
when
the
you
piano,
piano
yeah,
injected in you.
Yeah.
It's going bananas.
Yeah,
It's going
bro.
bananas. It's
Do
going
everything.
bananas.
Yeah, ingakho I'm a musician. Yabo mshaya wonke, bro.
Okay, so what are your biggest challenges as you like that you face so far as an artist?
Ngingasho ukuthi like ukustruggle le ndaba ye-studio yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm like being in a studio, but then I was producing yabo. Like ngishaya ama-beat kuphela ukuthi like bengingarekhodi yabo, bengina-mic and stuff. Then ngaqala lapho ngazama ukuthi ngithole i-mic yami because other people, you know, like as an artist coming up, anye like baze bakuplage, bro yabo. Bazokuvalela yabo.
Yeah.
You have to pay the price.
Winner, they come to you because no abanye bayabuya like yabo sebafuna ukuspana now.
It's going down. It's going down. So guys, don't look down on other artists because you'll never know. Go to the peak hit. Uzoyishani there, man. Ngiyakuzwa a few Rampage because now I'm seeing ukuthi like hip hop. It's not popular at Drizzy.
Yeah.
Because at Drizzy, nanoma ungashaya event, upost ukuthi it's hip hop 629 or whatever.
Yeah, how's the support? How's the support really in your area, bro?
Yo, support. The only support like in Cholayo, like
or the scene of hip hop.
Or on the social.
Support. But then when it comes to my event and stuff, so like they show up, but then not that much.
So you are saying that social media they help. They help on the levels of you playing the field.
Yeah, like in our shoots, like engage they are always watching.
Yeah, it does bring more pressure.
Yeah, be distracting. They be like, guys, you're going hard, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
you're doing your thing, bro.
Yeah.
Because I do know for a matter of fact, nanoma uthi we hip hop artist. Yo, Drizzy. Sizokubheka ngalelo lisho. Sizokubheka ngalelo shoot.
Nabo DJ. Khona le nto eshisayo lo DJ wanu listen. Yeah. Bro, yabona le nto leya. Antona ngifisa ngathi ngaproduce hip hop sipale yangithi mara namasimba ngipiano boy. Ay siphethe ezinye abo acts zasekhashi as a hip hop sipale yangithona. And bro, we got people here. Some artists that they would like to ask you questions, but we're coming there. We're coming there, my dog. We're coming there. So yeah, you enjoy hip hop more than the piano thing.
Yeah, bro. I mean, like I'm a hip hop head, bro.
So okay, in hip hop you do the what pop, what booms, what boom bam.
Boom bam. What's a boom bam? What's a boom bam? What's a boom bam? Oh, mina nyasala. I'm getting left behind. What is a boom bam?
Like it's rap.
It's rap.
Yeah, like
straight on that young toilet. There are no melodies are there and there. There's no 808. There's no high snare. There's only a kick and what.
Yeah, actually,
things like that. I don't know.
Like like middle movie, like you see the movement.
Yeah, that's real hip hop.
Yeah, that's
so
you do that type of hip hop.
Like Nansha Wonk.
Can you sing?
Yeah. Can you give us something? We want to go bananas. We wanna go bananas.
I can drop lines.
You can drop.
Yeah, let me drop. Give us a 16. I mean, I know it's 16, bro.
It's very now like Mzo drop EP very soon.
Guys, be ready.
Yeah.
You supposed to go bananas. EP yes, with Furry Rampage.
It's called the Soul's Revival. So like you know, Gucci.
Vuselela man.
This is a song, one of the songs. Ngibiza ukuthi wenzani yabo.
Wenzani. What are you doing?
Nasiyathi this one. Ngiyenzela bomrap akashashe ngiyababonisa ukuthi I'm the one like mina ngithukanga. I'm not scared.
Everybody's Big Zulu out there.
Anytime it's
there's Big Zulu.
They're all artists out there.
There's Tulu Fire out there, bro.
He's ready for war.
Imagine like Fury. I'm ready for war. Yeah, that's the thing.
Can we get
I don't
the
think
taste?
we would like as about be hip hop like we should live in fear. Merely like in a competition.
Be out there.
Yeah.
Can you take a with Big Zulu?
You will tell me.
Give me the pass. Give me the pass.
Give me the pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngenza kakhulu, I'm the verb, thatha isitulo, angeke ningimele, my hands in news, me no pet, ufuna ukwenza. What you gonna do when I pull up and rap? I'm chasing my dreams and they see me at red. Ungadlali ngomlilo, so you gon' get burned. Gemini, so no, you know my match. Me little lane, I'm on the move, abaning basele. I'm gonna shine like the shoes nemene. You don't know me, I'm gonna show you. I'm a cool guy, but I'm dangerous. Like the moon night when I'm switching up. Check out my profile, I'm winning now. I'm serving my haters. Young Todd.
Give it up,
guys, give it up for Fury.
Give it up
for Fury,
my man. We are about to bring the heat because the cheese is got the beats.
Yeah.
Everyone is here now. We're about to get to Fury.
It's true.
Okumutu yakala ngoma.
How can I send it to a rap?
Keep on the raps, guys. Fury Rampage. It was nice having you here at home. Fury Rampage. Siyazi ukuthi ayiphelile namhlanje.
We're not done.
We are going to give all the best. Siyazi ukuthi nakusasa nanoma singeza sithi Fury, we want collabo.
Collabo. Like, okay,
collaboration.
Which artists would you like to collabo with? By international, national, and local.
Okay. Simtale international.
Sure.
Abantu ababhiki yabona like J. Cole. And then
you're inspired by J. Cole. Yeah, I like that nigga, bro.
Joyner Lucas.
Yeah,
bro.
Come with them. Hobson. R.I.P. to Hobson. Yes. Oh, is it alive?
Yeah, it's still alive.
Don't kill those people. You are not an artist. This person is
alive, guys. Those are rumors, What rumors?
It's kidding.
Those are alleged. Yes, it's alleged. Those are rumors. That's all rumors, guys. Let me always on the internet.
It's not me. It's not me.
I'm sorry, guys.
Me not do anything.
Hobson, not Nipsey. Not Nipsey Hussle. Oh, sorry. So I beg your pardon.
Yeah, abantu like ngingasho ukuthi like ngingakhalela ukuspana nabo la.
Yeah. So
can I ask one? No. Which artist like ongajabula mongathula DM ebuya kuyo? That you say I want collab now out here.
Yo, bro, Zuch.
That's a dope.
I did knew. Zuch. What's up?
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Bro, like I see myself like somewhere like in yeah, like doing the most. Yabo, like nalo believe ukuthi like I would blow up, bro, anytime. Yabo, anytime is tea time because now like we have. Yeah, but not to settle a map on, bro. Like we can blow up anytime. Yeah,
you can blow up anytime.
Yeah,
because you believe in yourself. Yeah. So you don't need any distributor. Do you have any distributor?
No, bro. I do everything on my own. Like, bro, like
you do it. You are a distributor yourself. You are a manager yourself. Everything. A&R. You are an A&R yourself. You understand the music business. Yeah. So tell me two of your philosophers. Just two of your philosophers.
Like how
that you know. Like the philosophies of the music industry that you know, since you're an artist, because you are yourself, Pelawe.
Yeah, like I'm not sure like isn't like
philosophies, things that you know that you live up to.
Yeah,
that you know they are there. That's how as an artist, that's how you should do your things. These are things that you should follow.
Yeah,
as
like,
an artist,
because
there are 10 philosophies for artists.
Yeah. I'm not sure like most of the time like you consistent living in the last. Yabo ni strategy. Ukuthi kumele ube ne-strategy always.
Gameplay.
You must know how to play the game. Because it's not an easy game.
Yeah.
You must know how to play the game.
You
must understand it. If we understand it, because even me, I'm still learning. And we understand it like on that level. But then no understand no good thing I attended my mama masterclass like last year I was in Hiphop radio where they were teaching us about music. My registration, how do you
register?
And how do you go like gold or platinum? Because like isn't testing us understand. It's gold, but then we don't know what's from here. How can you do it?
So do you have a record label like where?
No, not yet. But then it's coming. It's coming.
Oh, it's coming. So
we're waiting for that record label.
So how would you inspire, or what message do you have for the young ones who are still upcoming, like artists, things like that? No matter which genre.
All I can say is that they have to keep on pushing. yabo bapushe kakhulu like babe locked in the studio because if they like abazivalile studio they won't grow and it's all about growing yazi like mase studio everything
Practice makes
change
perfect.
yeah
Do
like
you go out and submit music to people or like
No.
on clubs and things like that so that you can be heard and things like that? Do you
No,
do that?
not yet, but
Why?
then,
Why?
like,
Because
must
that's how you grow, bro. That's how you grow.
yeah, I
Or you
think
do it
that's
social.
yeah, ma-social lapha engiphusha khona yabo
Yeah, I
because
know.
ngizama ukugrow up ama-YouTube like ama-YouTube channel yami then Spotify yabo nabo iTunes and all those yabo yeah.
I do get you. I say, bafethu namhlanje siphethe artist any producer that is doing all the maximum work. I want.
Cabanga, dog.
I want.
Without any label, without any distributor, without any manager.
Bafethu, it's
Yeah,
going
Bafethu,
down.
standing
Busy.
himself.
We are having many people. We are having many talent. Bafethu. Fury like uqale at a very young age bheka namhlanje ukuphi unathi leya nathi asazi mhlawumbe ukuthi besoba naye or bengeke simbone ngabe sesiyasho ukuthi eish bekufanele ngabe siyam-podcaster uFury sekase-Australia sekase-England.
Sure.
So have you been overseas, dog?
Yeah, but like,
overseas,
have you been overseas and which artists have you worked with? La abaku-industry manje. Khona artist owasipana nalo ku-industry yabo into enjalo. Esingizwakho akubuzile ukuthi kuke waya international kanjalo since
like yabo ngasho ukuthi like angaze ngiye like international yabo angikuphi like out of the country
Yeah,
and stuff.
yeah,
But then
yeah.
ama-artist like abhili la eMzansi akhona because nayo Techno P like sasha i-track khona la Hiphop radio ukuthi nje awukuphumi angazi maybe basaset izinto
Yeah.
but then akhona ama-track khona ningi producer like a Grammy winning producer bro Vava Decepticon naye sike sahopa on one of his beats fika siropela ama-beat vele studio then yeah, I was there. I was one of the artists abagibele la ma-beat lawo yabo. So nasi Spanish die studio Hiphop radio yabo. Like as go drop yet. Yeah, but then like yeah. And na vele umuntu beyangihlanyela ba my production side, bro.
Yeah. We artists we want to hip hop ikasla.
Ekaslam like you as papa.
Papa. I'll mention again labo ngathi sipana na.
Yeah, angathi ngispana nabo this kid bro Foka baby. Yeah, if you can check him out, yeah, he's an upcoming Ndwana, but then like he's dope, bro.
Dope.
Like he's dope.
Angafika kumsession. Mzilo zakhe
I'm dropping the balls out here, mina ngiyambiza.
Yabona le Ntwana leya like yo ibulala ama-hot money leya kumele bayikade leya.
Yeah.
Sure.
Like Ntwana like nami manje ngadecide ukuthi le Ntwana le ngispana naye just because
Yophela.
ngiyeza ukuthi ine-potential yabo.
Sure.
Azibhaya nezinye abo China le one nabo baseza is still growing you know ama-chita vele yabo regarding ikhona riding T9 the young Jerome yabona zibhaya like I can like
Sipana nazo no.
Where are you guys?
yeah
Futhi bethu ungabona i-record label sipana.
yeah I can own a record label neshanga ama-artist adope so ukuthi like ngishota ngezinto uyabona like i-knowledge nabantu like i-team bro you know the team yabo yeah. But then, like, khona nonto LKP bro like dopest vocalist yekase khona ama-track azayo ngazisipusha ne-Orange Farm online TV la yabo so yeah zibhaye izinto eziningi ezayo nje yabo.
Yeah. Bro, I mean I've got a personal question.
Yeah.
Sorry to ask.
Yeah.
Bro, I heard you've been on an accident.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so what happened in that accident?
Bro, like ngathini it was like an infection yabo. Yeah, it was an infection 2023 that's when I got sick yabo like ngathi ukugula isikhathi nyana like for weeks. Yo bro, I don't know.
Personal you don't know.
Like I don't know.
It's kind of personal.
Like, yeah, like I just take it like it's just an infection because something like a spready. Imane yakala like is in a form of tonsil. So that then yeah, tovi voice for the skati then ngaphola then ngavela something else here on my collarbone. It was like big. Then that's when like bro, like I couldn't do anything. Because this song like he made it out. I think like it could my everything.
That's why you
like,
tell your story with
yeah,
how you survived.
That's why he
yeah,
made it out.
Check it out. They should check it
Yeah,
out.
the reason I call it made it out is because like it's all about the situation laying to the
Udlule kanjani? How
yeah,
did you
because
make it out?
my eye got infected. Yeah,
Hey.
we processed like a serious.
Oh, you got your eye infected.
Yeah.
So that's why you're
That's why
on
you're on
shades.
shades.
Yeah, I'm always on shades currently.
Hey, but they set you, bro. They set you.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's like
What is happening?
What's up?
And then they're going crazy.
Yeah. From that's like you're going and I want to notice they are able to notice me. He's this guy on my dress and shades. Yeah, straight cap. You know I'm a
Every day.
Yeah.
All day, every day. Oh, wait.
It's 420,
Do you
dog.
push any brand in done? Or there's a brand that you fatela like us, look at.
Yeah, 420.
420 with no dash, which is high fam. Like
We need sponsorship for
for high fam. I feel
We
like
need
that guy is
sponsor, man.
pushing it. That
We
guy.
need it.
So it's from your hood, ne?
Yeah.
Hey, Mariah, you are pushing, Mariah.
Yeah,
And
bro.
also J-Ro is also from that side.
Jero is in 369.
Oh, but you are neighbors.
Yeah, but then like won't like in cover.
Maranina, you've got artists.
Yeah,
Why don't you like collab, my friend? You as an
You want
artist,
that song, man.
This push a high
You
fam,
see,
like
like-
420.
Yeah,
Things like that.
man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, J-Ro is
Some
you do
music
some like
video,
taking videos and things like that.
Yeah,
Let's talk. That's a span, and yeah, man. Let's hey, my friends, let's work with Fury. Hey, 420, please, man. Yeah, have our guy.
Yes,
guys.
it
Yeah.
is what it is.
You have them. Oh, J-Roy, guy, man.
Fem, bro.
Yeah, man, let's push her in, push her under play, guys. Let's go, man. Yeah, because you won't make it alone. Yeah, so he needs a team, guys. Yeah, I'm thinking of being his manager and things like that. Like Marantana Zofitara.
I guess so. Yes, it is. In Jalo Bafetu, it's another ringing episode, Bafetu. I know some of you are thirsty right there. Abanye,
Speaking of being thirsty.
you see, like there's many things, guys, we talked about namhlanje. Siyazi ukuthi nawe khona ufuna ukwazi ngo-Furry Rampage cause akusinoma ubani, guys. If you don't know English, you won't pronounce these words, bafethu. Furry Rampage.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Furry Rampage. Yes, it is like that, guys. Nani, if you want to be part of us on the Roaming Podcast, bafethu, sihlezi isikhona la ekhaya. We are unfiltered as Katie. Mangabe umakhelwane wakho uzwisa into ebuhlungu, mangabe uyi-artist, mangabe uthengisa amakodo, uthengisa amagwinya, you want to be part of us. Thina sizokubuza all the questions, you will tell us all the answers. Injalo ku Roaming Podcast. I don't know, ngoba vele la ekhaya asivali nje. Without nje something nice.
No, the Roaming Podcast.
I want those bars, man.
Hey guys, do you have any questions that you want to ask? Questions that you want to ask?
No.
Nah, it's fine. You can ask.
You can ask. You
Just
can
be loud.
ask.
Just be loud.
Just be loud as
Yeah,
you can.
Just get
Be
closer.
loud as you can.
Get
Yeah.
closer near the cams.
And be loud as you can.
So, Fury not you have to check us, which artist like to work with,
Like yekas.
yeah,
Yekas ama-artist like engikhalele ukuspana nabo ngasho ukuthi yibo abo J-Ro yabo. Abantu abaphushayo yabo. Yeah, then yeah. Yekas umuntu vele ophushayo vele yabo.
Umuntu ofuna uspana naye.
Yabona ukuthi like
Question.
enye inspiration kuyada.
You don't have any questions.
You're
You don't have any
clear,
questions
you're
on production.
Okay.
So do your production, do you arrange beats, do you master, do you produce, mix,
So
master,
I do have
that.
artists, Danny.
Yeah.
I do have artists, Danny. So I want to play a game. So that game must be realistic. I have two artists. So can you make 2 beats for my 2 artists?
Yeah.
Then
For free?
we drop the song, Jay.
Like, but then it will depend. I must hear them first.
Okay.
Okay.
So if I call Nyana Boma one artist and drop Boma 16.
Yeah, bro. Like,
Yeah.
if I'm impressed, bro, like,
Yeah.
we can.
Hey, guys, do you have any 16? Do you have any 16 there?
Any 16,
Do you have
any 16 bars.
Eps, do you have any 16? Nah, like free rolling, bro. We don't have the beat, just rolling, You always have it in your mind.
Just roll the bars.
You have
As
it.
long as you can
You
roll
can
the
come
bars.
and
This
throw
is
it.
an interview.
Come
we
on,
are
man.
making connection.
Come on, my guy.
yo.
Come and throw it. Yeah, come
Yeah,
and drink
yeah,
water. H2O, H2O.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, man?
Yeah.
It's your boy Oversized $sign.
Yeah. Oversized, on the side.
Yeah, bafethu so oversized bafethu ku-interview ane. So we have our producer uzosebenza naye if he is impressed. So we are all the judges. Unawe lapha ekhaya ngathi we are the judges. So we are about to give Oversized a chance. And so it's about to go down. It is always going down. It's always
to me, bro.
Get a bit closer. It's
Get
always
a
going
bit
down.
closer.
It's always going down.
Yo.
Give it up, guys, for Oversized.
Oversized $sign.
Yo.
Yeah. 6:30 a.m. Keve apple phelile iphupho lokudream i-PM mele ngicabanga iplani yesuni ngizovula umnyango izinto azihlangani mari yacava yikho edlula umphando sengibajayele fork ayikho clever sazongimisa mangibheke ku-north south ngidinga i-support ngidinga i-escort ngizindela ngamagani ngingena ngesword umqondo wami ucolorful ukuthrow ilithom I like the picture that you know what happened in my hood. Never understood cause you never was on. Thole khoneni phushile heavy mangda. Dora ngicela ungangiblame cause dona leli gasi. Hey, we living in Jumanji.
Hey! Yeah! Guys, you get for yourself, buffet. Oversized. Oversized. So, bro, give the score. Give the score.
Rate out of 10. Bro.
10 out of 10. Ladies and yes.
How to cook 2 beats, bro?
Yeah.
For him.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook 2 beats for you.
So guys, in Jalo, Furry Rampage is about to cook for my boy Oversized Bafetu because Good Roaming Podcast, we are unfiltered. This boy is making me to go bananas even the water is going down. Even I want to tell you, there's no full here because the cup is about to go full bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi lapha ekhaya you are wondering ukuthi kamampela izoyenzeka lento le. Guys, the song sizobuya nayo. Mhlambe singabuya sesinikeza music video ka Oversized no Furry Rampage. It's about to go down. Angithi bafethu yithi sibahlanganisile. Bahlanganiswa bobani?
Roaming Podcast.
Roaming Podcast. Music video. If now you are there ekhaya, you are wondering ukuthi ngizos-advertise kanjani. You are here to market yourself. Roaming Podcast bafethu. Satholakala mad visuals on the YouTube bafethu. Yithi kuphela light disease.
So mzaki ngizakuthola game yabona manje.
This was my game. I did surprise you, Doc. Oversized
my questions. You know, I always go.
I still have to drop my 16, bro.
16, bro. Yeah, and another thing you have to drop your 16. But first, my guy, how many countries do we have in Gauteng?
Countries in Gauteng. Bro, there's no countries in Gauteng.
Okay, if you were given an option or an opportunity, like, okay, 9 years ago, bayakubuza ukuthi Brian ungathatha between $500,000 and 650K. Ungathatha ini?
Bro, Muslim, ngatoba into, bro. Ngatoba $500,000.
Ungathatha $500,000 na 650K.
It's going down, bafethu. Wayazi kumlanda pheli. It's here vele ku Roaming Podcast bafethu. Yithi kuphela. It was a pleasure. It's a pleasure having you on the house. Furry Rampage. Azwanga.
You should have helped me.
Those bars. You can give us the 16, then we close off the show.
Please give me the 16, my bro. Okay, the 16, my bro.
This one is my favorite verse.
Okay, my bro.
Like I go like this. A promise not a virgin, so I'm never gonna break it. Okay, actually, let me start again.
Uzokushisa.
Yazi ni-
Hey, not
You're
you
gonna
baby.
break all the
Let me
rules.
do this. You're gonna break all
Yeah.
the good.
Oh,
I just need like that
reference.
vibe. Yeah,
Oh, the beat.
bro, that vibe.
You got a
yeah.
beat. Hey, guys, he's got a beat. He got a beat on his phone, but it's
Yeah,
capture this. Capture this.
it's about
It's
to
going
go
down. It's on-
down.
Don't forget to follow us Bafetu, on Facebook
Share.
and tweet. Do you have Twitter? Yeah, on Twitter and on Insta. Also on it's X. Yeah, now it's X. Yeah.
Get us
YouTube
on
subscribe,
X.
Bafetu. You need your subscription.
Yes.
Bafetu, please, Bafetu, subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Yeah.
like and share bafethu. Nishereni ukuthi nomunye amazwi Furry because like Drizik sibaningi asazani ukuthi sidume ngayo.
Exactly, but Drizik,
Oh,
Bafetu, I Drizik.
it's going
There's
there.
talent and what I can say, man, boy.
There's much more
The
talent.
war should stop, guys. Like,
Because now it's going down. Even people are calling out loud to say, hey, come there by the gate. I don't know who's calling out.
Hey, but it's hard now to go Drizik. Drizik, the line, it's hard because of this.
Don't go at night, Baba. They work at
Hey,
night.
okay, yeah,
16 bars, no sleep. 16 bars.
16.
Valela Kamnandi show.
16. Yeah, carry, bro.
Yeah, I like this vibe. Some boom bap, you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, I promise not a virgin, so I'm never gonna break it. I stand on my word, and I'm never hesitating, cause I know myself. This my story, ain't nobody tell it better than I do. In this world, nothing happens accidental. I'm chosen for this. In my dreams, I see a lot of haters praying for me to fall. They ain't seen it happen, heart aching for it. From the moment I was born, they knew I'm legendary. That's how I'm turning to be. Hey, greatest in the making. Now I'm rising to the top, exploring new horizons, and I put my feet in God. Got a heart of a lion, what I want, I go for it. I'm never gonna stop, no matter what, I'm moving forward. I'll never give up. Mama told me I can get it. I'm two-faced, what I'm about to do, they cannot predict. Even if they try, bring me down, man, I'm still ascending. I'm Gemini, the twin sign, I always make them question what I'm about to do next. Strangers busy asking who's that? I'm the cool friend, only if you get to know me, man. I'm like the yin yang, I bring the
Proto Beats Production.